welcome to question 2. Figure 1 is a square with a side length of 5 units, while figure 2 is a triangle with sides of 7, 9, and 10 units. The perpendicular segment from a side that measures 9 units is drawn to the opposite vertex and has a length of 6.8 units. Which statements about these two figures are true? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all correct answer choices. Figure 2 has an area greater than the area of Figure 1. Figure 1 has an area of 20 units squared. Figure 2 has an area of 30.6 units squared. Figure 1 has an area of 25 units squared. Figure 1 has an area greater than the area of Figure 2, and Figure 2 has an area of 23.8 units squared. So what I'm noticing is Figure 1 is a square, so I need to know the area of a square, and Figure 2 is a triangle, so I also need to know the area of a triangle. And then I'm going to ask myself which is larger, because that's what it's asking. Greater means larger. So if I did not remember what an area of a square was or area of a triangle, I'd be going back up and I'd be scanning for the red boxes. This is perimeter of a triangle and area of a triangle. So area is equal to 1/2 base times height. And again, notice that the base right here is where that perpendicular line comes down. And notice that the height is the height of that perpendicular line. The area of a square is equal to side side squared. That caret means raised to the second power. So now that we know that, let's go back through, plug in some numbers, and use our calculator to figure out the area of the square and the area of the triangle. So right here, our side is equal to 5. So area is equal to 5 being squared. So we would come over to our calculator, 5, hit the x to the y, because that takes it up to the exponent of 2. This is 25. So that is equal to 25 units squared. And the area of a triangle. Now again, remember the base is the one that has the perpendicular line to its opposite vertex. So our base is 9. So area is equal to 1/2 times 9 times our height, and the height was the distance of that perpendicular line. So that's 6.8. So we come over to our calculator, we type in 1/2 times 9 times 6.8, and that equals 30.6. So area is equal to 30.6, and then I'm going to compare. This area of the square had 25 units, and the area of a triangle is 30.6. So the area of the triangle is larger, which means it is greater, and the triangle was Figure 2. So Figure 2 has greater area. So Figure 2 has an area greater than Figure 1. Figure 1 has an area of 25 units squared, and Figure 2, since that was our triangle, and we found it to be 30.6 units squared.